Hello, dear learners. How about you, dear learners? I think you are staying at home. You are well and good. Dear learners, I am Madhusudan Kormakar, senior teacher, English or Ravane High School from Sharasti Chatpur. Dear learners, at first I would like to say you that now during Corona vacation you should keep quiet. You should keep safe and sound at your home. So you should wash your hands frequently and wear masks, and so that you cannot be affected with coronavirus. And I also would like to request you to request your family members to take corona vaccine to save and sound your family. Okay, thank you, dear learners. Now I am going to discuss from grammar of your class 9 grammar. The topic is an easy item and it is tag question. The name of our item is tag question. Dear learners, tag question, at first we should know what is tag question. Tag question means small question which is added to the sentences in support of the subject. While we add any tag question to a sentence, we would like to get support to the subject. Dear learners, I am going to practice some questions. Dhaka is an old city. Dhaka is an old city. Isn't it? Dear learners, please try to understand how I have done this. This sentence is in affirmative. So, the tag is negative. When our sentence is in affirmative, the tag will be negative. This is the ground rule of tag question. And we also use operator. Given in the sentence. Operator means auxiliary verb. You also know that is very easy matter. Operator means auxiliary verb. Okay, dear learners, I would also like to say, if there is no operator in the sentence, what should you do? No problem. If there is no operators in the sentence, you should use do verb. Do verb mean do, does and did to make your tag. Dhaka is an old city. It is not an unpopular city. It is not an unpopular city. Is it? If the sentence is in negative, our tag will be affirmative. Okay? Many people live here. Many people live here. Don't there. Don't there. Dear learners, please follow me. There is no operator in the sentence. Many people live here. There is no operator. So I have used do verb. Do verb don't. As our sentence is in affirmative, so I have made that part in negative. Okay? Many people live here. Number D. Life in Dhaka city. Life in Dhaka city is very struggling. Is very struggling. Isn't it? Isn't it? We should be industrious. We should be industrious to live in the city. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? Dear learners, please write down the sentences and try to understand. Write down the sentences. Now I am going to discuss another topic of that question. COVID-19 is a fatal disease. COVID-19 is a fatal disease. Isn't it? Isn't it? It is a contagious. It is a contagious disease. It is a contagious disease. Isn't it? Very easy. Very easy. And people are affected. People are affected by it when they come close contact. When they come close contact. Aren't they? Aren't they? Aren't they? Fever and cough. Fever and cough are the most common symptoms of it. Most common symptoms of it. Aren't they? Aren't they? Aren't they? We should we should wear masks. We should wear masks to be safe and sound. To be safe and sound. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? Dear learners, please write down the sentences, write down the tag and sentences. I think you would like to learn the sentences and topic. Please keep safe and sound at home and study attentively. Okay, thank you so much.